I'm Wally Renee, and this is 3D printed veneers. Imagine how many more people you could help by offering additive 3D printed veneers into your toolbox for how you craft smiles in your office. With design softwares getting faster and easier, 3D printers could print 10 veneers in 7 minutes, and now we have revolutionary new resins that are durable, they have high fracture toughness and incredible color stability. This is the perfect time to try to learn how to do no prep 3D printed veneers in your practice. Now I'm going to show you how I handle these in my practice and position them between porcelain and direct resin that is fundamentally changing care and how I deliver veneers. So join me in this course. This is going to give you everything that you need to hit the ground running when you want to do these cases on your patients.